All about a girl who hates her hair, but she's still going to show you the video because she knows that you guys need to see this. Stay tuned. Hey flowers, what's up? What's up? It's Reese LaFleur. How y'all doing? So I'm coming in to show you guys how I got that ponytail. So as you saw, those 3 little products, we are using our Melanin Mixx Grow Oil, we are using Argan Oil, and we are also using Heat Protector. This is all to protect my hair from heat and damage, and my Grow Oil is, of course, to help me grow. So right now I'm just, of course, sectioning my hair out after I washed it. I put a leave-in conditioner, and now I'm just blow drying that section by section. And once I'm done blow drying each section, I'm going to twist it back. Now, you saw I was playing with the ends. I need to cut my ends because my ends are so split. And I'll probably clip them once I take this style down because I just didn't feel like doing it when I was doing this. So, yeah, that's what happened. Okay, now that my hair is all blow dry, we are going to start straightening. You want to make sure your hair is detangled completely. And since I had it in those twists, sometimes the ends get, whatever. I'm saturating my hair with oil because I don't care about my hair being super straight as much as I care about my hair not getting heat damage. So when you're doing this, you want to make sure you are protected, y'all. Protected. Protect them strands, sis. Protect them strands. Did y'all hear me burp? Okay, sorry. Bye. Okay, no, not bye, but sorry. All right, so that is my hair straight. And I'm just going to do that line by line, section by section. I just need it to be straight enough so that it'll lay sleek in this ponytail and match this hair as well as possible. There we are. There we are. Okay, so what I'm doing is once I'm halfway through each section, I'm taking a hot comb and I'm just going over my roots, but I'm going really slow because if you remember when you was a little girl and your mother used to hit you with the hot comb, sis, that joint used to burn, honey, and I'm not having my hot comb on a high thing. I do not need no sizzle brizzle, okay? So now that my hair is all straight, in a sense, this ain't no silk press, sis, but we did what we had to do. I'm parting out those front pieces. Now, this is what it was supposed to look like. As you saw in the beginning, it ain't look like that. But this is what it was supposed to be. So I parted out those 2 sections in the front. I'll actually put a little clip right here so you can see the style that I was attempting, which is why I've considered this a fail. Yes, I consider it a fail, sis. A fail. All right, so I'm just going to twist those 2 pieces of hair in front to get it out of the way, and I'm going to just start combing my hair up. Then I'm going to grab the hot comb again and comb it up. Every time that I put heat, I add oil. It's just I just can't not add oil. I'm sorry, I just can't not. All right, so now we are praying and going in with the Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control to hold and mold my hair. And I am praying this does not make my hair wave right back up after all of the straightening and whatever that I just did. So I'm very impressed, as you can see. I will say that this stuff really does hold my hair. My only issue is that it turns white. I don't know if it was the color I got because they had a whole bunch of colors, but this one, which is the clear one, turned white. So I'm going to use it. I'm going to continue to use it, but I just want you guys to be very careful. I don't know if it's because in some sections I put too much product or I didn't brush it in well enough, but only in some sections it did go ahead and it turned white, and I don't know why. And it was like a perfectly good style, and I'm just like, why? So as you can see, once I got that hair oil, it's pretty slick. Like, I'm very surprised. It didn't really wave up my hair. The front waved a little bit, but I think it's because I didn't really get that hot comb through it like I was supposed to, because like I said, I wasn't burning myself for this life. I wasn't doing it. So as you can see now, I'm just doing my edges. I have so many edge control brushes. I don't know why I keep using my hard brush, but it's doing the trick. All right, so now I'm using those Rapids And I'm just using that around my head to kind of keep it and hold it down. I'm going to put 2. And then we're going to braid our hair down in a ponytail in the back. And this will actually, you know, serve as our ponytail to wrap around. So I'm taking another one of those wrap arounds. And I actually had to do this over, which you guys didn't see. But I went ahead and I sprayed it with Spritz so that it would stick to my hair. And then I wouldn't have to worry about the whole ponytail just sliding off and being connected to that wrap paper. Like, sis. So as you can see, I'm just adding a little dot of glue and then bringing the hair around and gluing it down on top of that glue. Like, so I'm bringing it around, adding some glue. Voila. Ooh. Bringing it around, adding some glue. And we're going to just keep repeating that until we are done with both packs. In the beginning, before doing this, oh no, I didn't do it yet. Sorry. Oops, never mind. Now I'm going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and cut off 2 pieces, and that's for those front pieces in the front. Front pieces in the front. Those 2 pieces in the front. And then you're just going to go and continue. You want to make sure you wrap the same direction that you wrapped the first one. I don't really know if it matters, but it's just easier for me to wrap it this way. So this is the way it goes. And now this hair is from Model, and it is the Gardenia bundles. These are synthetic bundles. I only wanted this hair honestly for a day or 2. Each bundle cost me $10, like $20 hair. How long do we really want it to last? So I'm just going to take a piece and I'm just going to wrap it around the ponytail so that it doesn't look so, you know, I don't know, that line, that demarcate, I don't know, that line. But yeah, look at that wraparound. That wraparound is cute, sis. So once that's done being wrapped, I'm going to just comb out that hair a little bit. Honestly, I didn't get that many tangles in this hair. Like, and if it did snag, I was able to detangle it. And because I got the wavy hair and not straight hair, it kind of looks okay being a tad bit wild, if that makes sense. All right, so that's how that looks. So I'm sad because I took off my headscarf and you can see that part of my hair turned white. And what I'm doing now is I'm putting some argan oil on it to kind of get that white out of it. So once I did that, I went ahead, grabbed my glue. I am putting glue on my hair. I've done this plenty of times before. I'm a pro at this. I used to do this all the time, but I'm only doing it in the front, so I'm not too nervous about it. And I'm yet again adding heat because I twisted my hair and it got crinkly. Crimpy, whatever. Okay, so once I'm done over straightening it, and this is the thing, and this is why we ended up where we ended up, I'm going to add this hair in. Now, the thing about this is, we all should know when your scalp is greasy because of all that oil I put, it's going to slide. Like, so I kept doing it, whatever, it's fine. You can see it right now. Boom, boom, boom. Fixing the part. Oh my God. I think it might be lit. But you see how my hair, you can tell my hair from the hair, and I wasn't prepared to, I wasn't prepared to, straighten my hair anymore. I didn't like that. I thought that looked really cheap, really ugly. You see my face? I'm like, I don't like that. I want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm trying to add a little bit more heat, but it's synthetic hair, so I can't add heat on it. So I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, and I keep staring at it because I'm not sure. And yeah, so this. Okay, so really quick so you can understand what just happened. I decided to take it out. I did not like that middle part with the 2 bangs. So what I'm going to do is do like a small side part and just swoop it up because I hated it. So I already went and took out this side. So now I'm about to, I don't know if I'm going to put it back in or just leave it. I think I'm going to put it back in and I'll come back so we can start swooping. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back in. Okay, so remember how I told you that I had a lot of oil in my hair? So now I'm trying to put the edge booster on this part of my hair. Oop, peep the edges though. This thing got my hair molded. And I don't know if you see it, but the track is sliding. Look, really, I'm going to zoom in. You can see the track sliding down. So I took that piece out. Come back, trying to wrap it around. And now you see me hating it. Like, I'm like, it don't look good because the part is too small because I parted it for a certain thing, and I was not about to take it out and do this all over again. So I'm stressed out. I'm gonna keep trying. I even grabbed some spritz so it would like kind of swoop around, but it just wasn't enough hair to swoop. It was just all wrong, sis. All wrong. So as you see me struggle, this is why it was a fail. There's so many things wrong with the situation right now. Like, I'm super irritated. Hold on, let me fix the camera. Okay, so first things first. Clearly, the style didn't work out how I wanted it to. I'm not going to say it's an ugly style because the ponytail, it looks nice or whatever. But this is a style I've done before. I really wanted something extra. Because I had to push my hair back all of a sudden, it's a little bit bumpy. So I'm going to put like a little pin right there just to keep it like down. Like, that is irritating me. I got to redo my lashes because this lash looks like shit. And I have glue on my eyelid. So I'm going to let, even my shirt got grease on it. Do you see that? Like a grease spot. So we're going to label this whole life as a fail. Like, this, everything in my life is a fail. Right now. Like, I'm pissed. I am pissed off. Y'all, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I promise my videos are not always a fail. Like I said, the style isn't ugly. It's just not what I wanted. So it's irritating me. But I hope to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature.